Today we're going to read a book called How Many Snails? A counting book by Paul Giganti Jr. Pictures by Donald Cruz. So look at the cover. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 snails, and 2 of them are hiding in their shell and are not showing their foot. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that we can see the whole part of the snail. Let's see what else we can count. I went walking and I wondered how many clouds were there. Let's count the clouds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clouds. How many were big and fluffy? I see 1, 2, 3. How many were big and fluffy and gray? I see 1, 2. I went walking to the meadow and I wondered how many flowers were there. Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many were yellow? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 were yellow. How many were yellow but with black centers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not that one. 7, 8. I went walking to the lake and I wondered how many fish were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 fish. How many were red? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many were red with their mouth open? 1, 2, 3, 4. I went walking to the garden and I wondered how many snails were there. Let's count the snails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. How many had striped shells? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many had striped shells and stuck their heads out? Okay, so this is where we can see the foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 5, 6, 7, no, 8. Or I see their antenna and their tentacles too. I went walking to the beach and I wondered how many starfish were there. Okay, you look and count how many starfish. Did you count 17? How many starfish had 5 arms? Did you count 13? How many starfish had 5 arms and are on rocks? Let's count. You count and I'll just point. Did you count 6? I went walking to the park and I wondered how many dogs were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. How many dogs were spotted? Let's keep counting in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are spotted with their tongues out? 1, 2, 3. I went walking to the library and I wondered how many books were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. How many were tiny? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many are tiny with numbers on them? 1. Oh, well, let's count with the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh. Well, we're going to have to count by tens for this one. How many cupcakes were there at the bakery? So I see this has 5 and 5. So I know this is a row of 10. So I'll count by tens. 10, 20, 30. Now this is not 10, so I have to count on. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. That's enough for all of us to eat. I went walking to the toy store and I wondered how many trucks there are. So we're only looking for the trucks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. That's enough for all of us to have a truck to play with. I went walking at night and I wondered how many stars were there. How many shooting stars were there? Let's count the shooting stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'm going to pause here for you to count all the stars. If you need to pause the video to make sure you can count them all, you can do that too. Did you count 25? I went walking to my bedroom, but I didn't wonder how many good night kisses I would get because I already knew. Mwah! Oh, there's some more snails on the back. So that book is How Many Snails? We counted snails and clouds and starfish and dogs and cupcakes. And now your activity is going to be to count some of those things in the 10 frames too. Thank you for listening.